Hey there, how's it going? So here I am working on, or getting on the ATV, but I need some work. I bought this thing about a year ago, and I bought it because it had a plow and a winch, and the winch has failed to continue working. So I have no idea what the heck I'm doing here. I'm just checking things out. So you can see I kind of got the winch working. It at least pulls in now, but I can't get it to let go. I can pull it out manually, but I need to let it back out so I can plow. And here I don't even know what I'm doing back there. I don't know why I'm looking in the back for the winch. Just like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just kind of checking wires, make sure everything's connected, and trying not to electrocute myself while I'm doing it. So here I am working on the back again for some unknown reason, because the winch is in front. I mean, there's wiring that goes back there, but I have no clue what it is back there. It just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm a computer guy, not an engine guy. So just watching me futz around with this thing, not get anywhere. So here I'm showing you a lovely picture of my backyard, the chicken coop and goat shed and garden. Because, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like I said, 3 times so far. Now, here's the back again. I'm trying to tighten, loosen, tighten, I don't know. And whatever it is, it's 20 years old and everything's rusted in this place. So, good times. But I am 94.8% sure that I need a new winch. Or winch.